Here, CACTUS is one of example to of chemistry agent, and in this hands-on session, we're gonna reproduce part of CACTUS. So user may ask a question which requires some analysis, and CACTUS here, it based on the user prompt, it finds relevant tools to give a accurate answer. So what it does, user asks a question, and the system finds the best tool among the tools it has, and then it will run the tool, because tools are normally just a Python function, so it should be able to recognize the tool and then run the tool and get the return values from the tool, and then use that tool output in the answer to give a accurate answer. So in this example, actually it's published here in ACS Omega, and you can find the code in GitHub. So it has many different tools, like it can analyze drug likeness and others, BBB penetration, and so forth. We're not going to implement all of these tools, but we're going to just simply implement two tools. So one for retrieving source code based on the name of chemical, and then analyze to check if the molecule satisfies Lipinski's rule of 5. And we can simply implement this using LangGraph and Ollama. And if you check the GitHub, it shows this is quite simple. So you need to call this CACTUS library and then specify the name of the model and then give a prompt. So here the prompt is what is the molecular weight of this mask, and it also provides source code, and then this agent will calculate the molecular weight of the source code using RDKit, maybe RDKit, and then give and then take that value and then give a quite accurate answer. So this is what we are gonna do in this hands-on session. We're gonna use LangGraph. So these tools here, there are a list of tools. Your task is defining this tool. Define Python function for that, for task, and our task is check compliance of Lipinski rule of 5. So for that, we will define the tools, and other functions will be provided. So we will use LangGraph, which so when user asks a question, it's actually asking question to small language model, which is provided by Ollama. So that's why you need Ollama. And while you can do the same through Hugging Face, but in this session we're gonna use Ollama, and then this is where LangGraph works. So you provide the tools and then connect it to LangGraph, and also LangGraph is connected to the language model. So when user asks a question, then the model will find the tools to answer the question and then provide the answer. So the model will search the tool and then run the tool, but LangGraph will connect the tools and the language model and also the workflow that the model should follow. So based on that, the graph structure, well, workflow is actually defined as a graph structure, and based on this graph structure, model will follow the step-by-step procedure and then prepare an answer. So this is what we are gonna do, partially reproducing this chemistry agent.